I'm going to be showing you how to get Soaring Spin in Where Winds Meet. So totally easy, so let's get right into it. So it's one of the hidden mystique skills that requires exploration and bit of a puzzle-like path. So Soaring Spin is an offensive, mystic skill that lets you dash and follow up with a spiraling strike that also reduces the enemy's healing. So it's super useful when you're fighting or against healing heavy enemies. So on how to unlock it, you need to head to Kaifeng and work through a secret area in the Martial Temple region. So if you cannot find where it is, you just need to look at the top left where you can see the map, and you need to head to the Kaifeng region. So it must be right there. You need to meet the requirements for the quest. You just need to progress through the main story enough to reach Kaifeng. And you also need the Celestial Seas mystic skill already unlocked, so it's required to grab the chest. So you can just enter the hidden path and solve the bell and door puzzle, and in all of these ways you'll successfully be able to use Celestial Seas to claim the scroll and unlock Soaring Spin. So that's how you get Soaring Spin and Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.